Hey guys and gals, today I'll be discussing the 4 types of flagellar arrangements in bacteria. So the first one and easiest is Monotrichus. And as the prefix states, it only has one flagella, so that's mono. The second one I like to teach is Amphitrichus. And the prefix amphi you can relate to ambidextrous, and that means both sides, so it has one flagella on each side. The next one is Lophotrichus. And this is an arrangement where it has a bunch of flagella only on one side. Can't really give you a hint, you just have to memorize it. And the final one is Parry Trichus. And Parry just means it has flagella all over throughout the entire thing. So not just on one side, and it has flagella all over. Hope this helped you guys. Thanks for watching.